Okay guys, so we are in Tabanan today and we are in the hot spring. So if you are thinking about the natural hot spring in Bali, maybe you are thinking it's about in Batur Lake or Kintamani. But now in Tabanan, maybe it's not that so many people explore the area of the hot spring in Tabanan. So today we come here just show you the hot spring in Tabanan.
But before you get so excited, we're not sure if we're gonna show you actually exact the panas, air panas, because check this out, it seems like very busy. I don't want to be sarcastic, but it's actually this place looks like it's closed. There even is the ticket office, but nobody is here. So anyway, let's have a little sightseeing. Yes, we will see. Maybe it's actually like, oh, there is no stairs actually. Saying here. Alright, so it's nobody here. However, seems like they make a beautiful paths and everything, and decorations, I could say. There is the name of the panas, the hot springs, if you will be interested. And well, that's how it looks like. We were here actually some time ago, long time ago.
Yeah, I think that when we park, there is a new car park, and then I think that I was here with my family with different road, you know, just like going to the big main road over there. But yeah.
Maybe it has changed something, yeah. So, ladies and gents, boys and girls, this is the hot spring in Tabanan area, very close to Jatiluwih. Let's have a look. Beautiful gardens, beautiful. And this is like a hot spring one here. What do you think, Saya?
I just want to check, this is a very hot or not?
No, check it. Just don't fall down.
No.
It will be funny actually.
Warm. It's
Warm?
just warm water. But I can smell, you know, the smell of the sulfuric, because you know this is not because of dirty or something, but because of the sulfuric things inside the water. So yeah, it's about a little bit yellowish or something.
Oh, all right.
So yeah, so let's see.
Well, looks nice. Looks pretty decent. If you are interested about hot springs in Bali, why not? You can try. Saya, there is anything else to see actually?
Let's go inside.
All right, and here is the hot spring with the little waterfall actually. How is the water, Saya? Hot?
Warm. And also you see the color is actually yellow. It's because of the sulfuric things inside. And then I can smell something sulfur inside.
Looks pretty nice, pretty alright. So there are two springs, little waterfall probably if you wanna cool down yourself. Also pretty alright.
Did you see over there the yellow spot, the yellow thing there? That's basically, that is not a dirt or shit or something like that, but that is the sulfur that is coming from the Mount Batu Karu. So I think that long time ago the Mount Batu Karu was a volcanic mountain, but you know nowadays the Mount Batu Karu, I don't think that it's still you know, like volcanic, but you know, under the ground there is still something like lava or something that making the hot spring water, and that's the yellow things is the sulfuric thing.
Sayang, what is this buildings here?
Okay, so behind me here, guys, there is inside is the pond. You know, like the small pond, maybe like 2 or 3 meters square or something like that. So inside the pond is the hot spring. So maybe if there is one empty pond, we will have a look and we will have a look inside.
Yeah,
so I think that this place is more famous to the locals. As you see behind me, you see there are many locals coming here.
Okay.
This is what I told you, like come. So like this one, the small pond inside is the hot spring water. So I can smell sulfur inside. I don't know, maybe you wanna jump?
No, I'm fine, thank you. Alright, lovely people, I hope so you enjoyed. That's how it looks, the hot springs, air panas, whatever you call this, in Bali. Not only in Kintamani area, but you can also find in Tabanan, close by Jatiluwih. And this is where we are going now also. We're gonna have some lunch. It's already late afternoon, so
So yeah, this is not so touristy places. You know that mostly the people who come here is mostly the locals, and also the entrance ticket, if I'm not mistaken, is around for the locals 15 or 20k, and then for the foreigner tourists around 40k or something.
Of course, if you would like to jump inside, because if you are just
sightseeing, just like us,
it's just
free of charge.
Unfortunately, there are also warungs what were open here. They are closed right now, but well, they are times not that best right now anyway, right? Little bit of the village and surroundings. Well, there is where we were, and on the other side there is like a big swimming pool. Probably they will be prepared for the
mass tourism later on in the future.
Something like that. Little bit the farmers driving around many rice fields here. Yo, hello. Always happy people in Tabanan, right?
Yeah. Okay guys, so after being in a hot spring, so I think that there are no local warungs around or restaurants.
Unfortunately.
So, yeah, because the hot spring is quite remote area. So yeah, we decided to come to Jatiluwih and having a lunch. I'm already hungry.
So we are in the Jatiluwih again.
Okay guys, it's lunchtime. So yeah. Today I have a special menu, which is Balinese food, and then look at this one. I have the bubuh Bali. So this is like a Balinese porridge. This one is the shredded chicken, ayam suwir with the spice, and this one with egg, and this one with the what is it called, sayur urap, and the sate lilit.
And what is this one?
This one is a magic ball.
What? Magic bowl?
Oh, this one is the soup. So this is not my foodie channel yet, guys. And oh, you put it like this. And I also have my sambal here. Put it sambal. And also kerupuk, crackers. Smacznego, selamat makan. With the view of the rice paddies in Jatiluwih.
So how is it, Sam?
Oh, the taste so good. It's not that spicy at all.
You must be hungry after going down to the springs, huh?
Just had our lunch, and then yeah, this is what our what is it called?
Day outside the city looks like. We tried to show you something new again. I hope so you enjoyed. You can expect something like that time to time to keep balance and.
Yeah, so yeah, we just take you to the places that is not very touristy, but Jatiluwih, yes, touristy, because surround the hot spring, there are no restaurant, there are no warungs even. So yeah, we just decided to go to Jatiluwih to have a lunch, and yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Tabanan, exploring the rural area and enjoying our weekend. So yeah,
Big thumb up as always, guys, if you like this.
thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.